everyone, I welcome you all to the online classes of Girls High School and College. Today we are going to study geography. The lesson that we have taken is India, location and physical features.
The official name of our country is the Republic of India. India is the 7th largest country in the world after Russia, Canada, China, the USA, Brazil and Australia. India after China is the second most populous country in the world. Location and extent. India is located in the northern and eastern hemisphere. It is situated in the southern part of Asia at the head of the Indian Ocean. The mainland of India extends roughly between 8 degree 4 minutes north latitude in the south and 37 degree 6 minutes north latitude in the north, and between 68 degree 7 minutes east longitude in the west and 97 degree 25 minutes east longitude in the east.
Children, as you can see, the Tropic of Cancer is passing from the center of the country and it is dividing the country into two equal halves. If you see, the northern part is broader than the southern part. Now, again follow the map and see, children, that the north-south extent, they are telling the north and the south extent of the mainland of India is about 3,214 kilometers, while the east-west extent they are talking about is about 2,933 kilometers. The length of the coastline, now here they are only talking about the coastline. They are telling that it is about 6,100 kilometers. And when you are including the islands, that is there, it is 7,514 kilometers. The land frontier, the area that is connecting with the other countries, is about 15,200 kilometers. Now, if you see the whole of India, children, the southernmost tip of the mainland of the country is Cape Comorin. Whereas, when you take the entire India, it is Indira Point situated in Andaman and Nicobar Islands.
The southern part of India is a peninsula. It divides the northern part of Indian Ocean into the Arabian Sea on the western side and Bay of Bengal on the eastern side.
India shares a common land boundary with the following countries like Afghanistan, Pakistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar, and in the southern part it is connected by a narrow stretch of water, that is Palk Strait, to Sri Lanka.
Political division. India is a union of 29 states and 7 union territories, including the National Capital Territory of Delhi. The present division of India into states and union territories is mostly on the basis of languages spoken by the people. The state and the union territories are administrative units. The states are further divided into districts and tehsils. In the latest reorganization of states, Telangana was created out of the state of Andhra Pradesh. Rajasthan is the largest, while Goa is the smallest state. Physical features. India, Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan and Bangladesh are separated from the rest of Asia by Himalayan mountain ranges and has a distinct geographical identity. Thus, this region is called Indian subcontinent. India is a vast country and has a great variety of physical features like high mountains, extensive plains, plateaus and fertile river valleys. India can be broadly divided into 5 physical divisions.
Now, as you can see over here in the map, all the brown color region, that is the mountain region, the Himalayan mountain region, is covered in brown color. Then, just below it, if you see, is your northern plains in light green color. The coastal areas are again in a bit darker green color. The center portion, that is the Deccan Plateau region, is the Peninsular Plateau region. And if you see, the island groups are given in the pink color. Now we are going to study about the northern mountains. Now children, if you see the map again, there are several mountain ranges that are radiating out from the Palmer Knot. The Palmer Knot you must have recently learned in Asia. It is situated just above Jammu and Kashmir. And from Palmer Knot, the mountain ranges are radiating out in all the different directions. The ranges that are coming towards Indian side are the Karakoram range and the Himalayan range. The Karakoram range, it is situated between Palmer Knots and the Indus River. You can follow your maps that is given in the book. Then children, if you see that there are many glaciers that are also found in this particular region, that is your Baltoro and the Siachen glaciers. Now Mount Godwin Austen, that is there in Karakoram range, is the highest mountain peak in the Karakoram range and the second highest in the world. Now towards the south of this particular mountain range lies the Ladakh and the Zanskar range. The word Himalayas, children, it means the abode of snow. Now Himalayas, they extend from Indus River in the west to Brahmaputra River in the east. And in between them, there are many passes that are there in between these mountain ranges. And these passes are like Shipikala Pass in Himachal Pradesh, Nathula in Sikkim and Bundila in Arunachal Pradesh. There are also many valleys that are found here like your Kashmir Valley and your Kangra Valley in Himachal Pradesh.
Several big rivers originate from the Himalayas. Most of them flow through northern plains and fall either into the Bay of Bengal or the Arabian Sea.
The Himalayas, children, if you see, it consists of three parallel ranges. The top one is the Himadri, then Himachal and then the Shivalik. The Himadri range, that is the topmost one, is also known as Greater Himalayas, and in this mountain ranges lies the highest mountain peak such as your Mount Everest, that is 8,848 meters. That is situated in the Nepal-China border. And when you see this area only of your Himadri region, Kanchenjunga, that is 8,598 meters, is the highest peak in the Indian Himalayas. Other mountains situated in this region are Nang Prabhat in Jammu and Kashmir and Nanda Devi in Uttarakhand. Then comes second part, that is your Himachal. The Himachal is also known as the Lesser Himalayas as they are lower than the Greater Himalayas. They lie towards the south of Himadri, and the important mountain ranges that are situated in this region are the Pir Panjal and the Dalaudar mountains. Many popular hill stations are found in this particular area. You must have visited some of them, such as Shimla, Dalhousie and Darjeeling are situated in these mountains. Then comes the Shivalik range. Now that is the foothills of the Himalayas. So they are also called the outer Himalayas, and here children, what happens that they are made up of loose deposit of soft rocks, and because of that is mud and silt, and because of that landslides are very much common in this particular area. Now we are going to study about the Purvanchal range. It is situated in the eastern side. Now in the eastern side of India, there are series of mountain ranges, but they are low hills. Okay, they have such as the Patkaibar, then they are having Naga hills, then they are having Mizo hills in the south side, and then they are having in the central part your Garo, Khansi and Jaintia hills. So here we are ending this part, children. Thank you for being there. Stay home, stay safe.